Level 1A count, Uptown Swing. This is Peter. I'm Naomi.
That's true.
You did great.
We started out with just the footwork, so we're like, right, oh yeah, you're right like here. We just do like this. Rock, step, bam. Rock, step, bam. Thinking quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And then we added these scoots like so. Or, everyone can do the scoots already. We're calling it a triple step, but don't freak out. It's just this little scoot. So we did rock, step, scoot. Rock, step, scoot. You can think rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. So we put that together in a little partner dance in here. I'm the leader. I'm going to start with my left foot.
I'm going to start with my right, and we are going to do a little mirror image step, a practice step we call a flip flop.
Roll it up.
Just to practice our 8 count.
I am leading this. I'm asking them to go. Then we do a step we call a yo-yo. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. I'm going straight back and forward. Then we still kind of rotating on, putting it in front right away, instead of where your foot isn't.
Leaders put it all the way in front.
Leaders, remember when you hold too close, life is awkward on so many levels. When you're here, it's so much easier. Here's the reverse yo-yo. I go in front. And the followers are cool about hanging out there.
Step, step.
Then we work on the Lindy circle. Rock, step. We go all round on this one. And the main thing is that 5 and 6 and the space between us. Let's show it this way one more time just so they can see. Sure. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. My 5 for 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll work on that end next time. It was really, really good. The last thing we threw in there was the old legs from this way. Stop and shake. Rock, step, shake, shake, shake. So we had this sequence for you. Shake. I'll do it this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step. There we go. Then a reverse. And then a circle. We stop and shake. And that was it. Great job, everybody.